Hey there, welcome to an art lesson with me. And today we're going to be doing an origami fortune teller. I have been making these since elementary school, and what's crazy is every year the kids want to know how to make them. And so it is definitely something that caught on and has never let go. So all you need is just a good old piece of copy paper, scissors, although you don't need them, but they do make it helpful. And then of course something to decorate your fortune teller with, right? Maybe a pen or Sharpie, markers, whatever floats your boat. Grab your kids, this will be a lot of fun, and come back and join me. So, like I said, just good old sheet of copy paper, although most origami projects you cannot have a rectangle, you need it to be a square. So the trick is take the short side and fold it up to the long side right here in the corner. Now make sure and watch my video all the way to the end so that you can get some pointers. And then I would love it if you did some of that awesome social media stuff like share and comment and definitely like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I am cutting the extra off. If you don't have scissors on hand, you can always fold it. You know the trick where you fold it back and forth, back and forth. Use your fingernails, scrape it down, and then you can tear it off. That's a cool little trick. The kids, I showed them that this week at the studio and they were amazed. It cracked me up. So we've got a triangle, right? So we open it up to where our crease is vertical down the middle, and then we're going to take the bottom point and take it up to the top point, just like this. There we go. And put a little crease here, little crease there, just like that. Open it back up. So now you should, there's a nice little angle. You should have almost like a plus sign or an X, depending on which way you've got it going. So this time we're going to take each of the points and we're going to fold them to the middle line. And we know where the middle is because that's where the two folds intersect. So this comes up, we fold it exactly on there. If you don't get it folded correctly, your fortune teller will not line up very well. Here we go, right here in the middle, nice little crease, just like that. Turn it, fold it, turn it, fold it, turn it, fold it. So we'll do that 4 times total on this side, and then we'll flip it and do it on the other side. Those of you that are older like me are like, oh my gosh, this is bringing back memories. There we go. So we got all 4 folds pulled in. We're going to turn it. Now this time it's kind of nice because we have an X in the center. Let's see, angle my camera or angle my paper just right so you can see it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the corner again and we're going to fold it up to the middle, but now we have grooves on both sides that are kind of marking where it should be. So we'll pull that up right here, crease it, and pull it up here and crease it, and we'll pull it up here. So like I said, lots of folding and creasing. And this is one of those things where you almost want to take your time to get those folds just right. Origami is the art of paper folding, and it truly is an art form. You really want to take your time and do it right. In my house, my husband has this saying, and now it's stuck with me. And so I say it all the time, whether it be to my personal kids or my kids that are my students. Do it right, do it light, do it wrong, do it long. So we have to do it right the first time so that our origami fortune teller works. Okay, so see how we have the triangle pieces with the crease in the middle? That's going to become the inside of the fortune teller. So now on the outside we have these flaps, right? So I like to fold it in half like that, so it makes a rectangle. Then I open it up, fold it in half the opposite direction, just like that. Open it up. Well, actually, no, don't even open it up. Now we have these 4 pockets that are on the outside, and so you put your little pinchers in there, and it should squish together just like that. And actually, the other day I saw the cutest project. They actually turned this into a puppet. So we had eyes, we had a mouth, and so it like opened up and talked. Kind of a cute idea. So it could definitely be a puppet or definitely be a fortune teller. And now I try to do things that are a little bit more simple for my little ones. And I encourage the older kids to do something that's a little bit more of a challenge. So simple might be, let's think of short color names, right? Blue is a short color name. So I could just kind of put me a blue little box here, just like this, and we'll go back and forth, get it all colored in, use that whole side of the marker tip, just like that, get it all colored in. So we've got blue, we might do pink, that's a short word, right? Pink. Fairly short color word. I'm trying to think of my markers over here. Back and forth. Oop, don't get sloppy like that. There we go. Fill this in. Oh my, come on. Just like that. Red, the short word. And I'm just thinking short and simple for my younger kids, right? Because they will have to spell out these words when they're doing their fortune. This would be great for like to learn sight words, right? Or spelling words. So your sight words or your spelling words could be on these outside panels. Maybe words that they really get stuck on. I don't know, green maybe. Green's not too long, right? I mean, it kind of is, but compared to red. Here we go. Well, that just happened to work out that the 2 complementary colors are by each other. Okay, back and forth, using the whole side tip of the marker, just like this. Oh my. Okay, now, before I move on to the inside, ooh, this might be too thick. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's try one of these. I think I need to replace all my Sharpies in here. So green is GREENRED. Makes me think of that song they sing when they're little. BLUENPINK. Okay, now when we stick our fingers in here, not only do we see the color, so we make a visual association, but we also have how to spell the words, right? On the outside, just like that. Awesome. Okay, then when you open it up, here's where you can add like your numbers, right? And so I'm gonna do, I'll just start up here, 1, 2, 3. Or again, you could put sight words here. You could put family names, like names of family members, so the kids have to learn how to spell them. 7, 8. Okay, so then when they open it up, you have a choice. You can either write one big fortune here, or you could do a little fortune. So like underneath 8 would be a little fortune. Or underneath 7 and 8 would be the same fortune. So it's totally up to you how you choose to do the inside. But remember, when you used to play this when you were little, if they chose red, you would have to spell R together, E together, D together. And then, so R-E-D, and then in here, they would pick their number, right? So they get to pick which number, 1, 2, 5, or 6. Say we pick, whoa, don't do that. Say we pick 2, so we would go 1, 2. And then we open it up, and then they pick their other number, and then that's the fortune. So there is a nice, fun, friendly reminder of how to make a fortune teller. Again, thank you so much for watching this to the end. Please do all that awesome social media stuff like liking and sharing and subscribing. And leave me some comments. What memories do you have from playing this fortune teller game? And how can you turn it into a learning tool, right? What could be in here? Maybe you turn it into a math game somehow and learn addition or multiplication or subtraction. So think about all the cool tricks you could do with this. Not only will your kiddos be having fun, but they'll be learning as well. You guys have a great day, and I cannot wait to do some more art with you. Bye.